How do you use the Polygon Lasso tool in Photoshop to make selections? The Polygon Lasso tool is a basic selection tool in Photoshop, but it's very powerful when you use it for the appropriate things. Where is the Polygon Lasso tool in Photoshop? If you look up at the toolbar and you see the lasso tools, click and hold, and then you can select the Polygon Lasso tool. You can also press Shift+L to cycle through the different lasso tools. Once you have the Polygon Lasso tool selected, you can click and select straight lines. So this is really good when you're working on a grid and you just need to get straight lines and have a quick selection. Double click to close the selection, and now I can use the transform tools to move this around. Press Control D or Command D to deselect. One nice thing with the Polygon Lasso tool is I can click an origin. So I'm going to start, for example, I can start right here, then I can move over. And if I hold Shift, notice that complete horizontal line. Then I can click here and I can move down this line. So I can go to this vertical line or I can go in increments of 45 degrees. So then I can come down to here, click, come straight back over to here, click, and then back up to the top. When you see that circle right there, that means it's ready to close the lasso tool. Now I have a selection and I can do anything I do with all my selection tools in Photoshop. You can click deselect or press Control D or Command D to deselect. Let's look at another nice feature of the Polygon Lasso tool. For example, say I wanted to work on this seam ripper right here. I could click the Polygon Lasso tool and then I could click here, but now I have a problem. It's all straight. What if I just want to draw a curved line or a freehand line just for a little bit? If you hold Alt or Option, suddenly now I can draw and then let go of Alt and Option. So that can be a great way if you need to have a little bit of an organic line when you're using the Polygon Lasso tool. Once again, I will deselect. Sometimes you get a little bit crazy with the Polygon Lasso tool and you might click way too many times. I really like this original selection, but everything is not ruined. You can just press the delete key and it'll go back one line segment at a time. So that way, when you have your very complicated and intricate Polygon Lasso tool selection in Photoshop, everything is not ruined. You can just press the delete key and step back in time. Hopefully this allows you to use the Polygon Lasso tool in Photoshop to make selections very quickly.